there is a trend towards veganism, a trend that won't go away, and you want to do something about it. Well, in that case, you're in the right place. Welcome. My name is Barbara. I'm the founder of vegansarebusiness.com, and my mission, my goal, is to help owners of bars, hotels, and restaurants to develop their menus so that they can serve vegans just as well as they serve everybody else. Because vegans are the key. I want to help you to make a shitload of money with vegans. If you don't see why you can make money with vegans right now, that's fine. I will explain that to you. If you don't have time to wait for the next video, go straight to my website vegansarebusiness.com and download the guide. It's a free guide. You can get it, you can look at it, and you can start to realize what treasure, what potential lies in offering vegan options on your menu. I'm looking forward to seeing you here again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.